Alexander, I have prepared the explosives you needed for cleaning the flood drain. I can't stress enough how important it is that the mixture is handled with care. Please try to tell your feather-brained servants this before you go ahead with your plans. The liquids are not by themselves explosive and should be kept separated to avoid further mishaps. I have arranged 2 large vats in the next room for the ingredients. All you need to do is mix the liquids and you are ready to go. Agrippa. Very interesting. So there's supposed to be 2 vats. This would be the next room. The hammer. Wood. Ooh, hey. More tinderbox. How many tinderboxes am I up to? 30! Holy crap! Picked up well. Tinderbox, laudanum. Okay. Oh, hello. Let me just check around. Ooh, hey, there's something over here. Drill part. Some items can be combined. Awesome. Alright. Huh. Okay. Can't assemble the drill yet. Need to find all the parts first. Okay. So I need the last part. So where is the last part? Mario! Mario! Are you boxes hiding it? Okay. Where is it? Am I gonna end up wasting all of my fuel? Hold on. Oh, that's why. Okay. Let's see. Alright. I've got 3 things of oil left. There has to be something somewhere around here.
It's cold. It's so cold.
That's nice. Okay, seriously. Okay. So I've searched you. You're done. Searched you. You're done. Well, double check. Yeah, you're done. You. Yes, I was just in here. So you're done. Okay. And you're done. Valve has rusted shut. Okay. I guess the other piece must be elsewhere. That's the way I came. There's a door there. And there's a hallway this way. Time to follow the blood. Wait, what?
Please, let me go. I won't tell anyone, I swear. I just want to go home. No! Get away from me! Leave me alone!
Something over there. Okay. Things are starting to become a little unsettling. The rubble from a cave-in is hindering further passage in the storage. Find a way through. Okay, so this is why I need the stuff in the other direction. Okay. Alright. There's only one place left. And I shall save it for next time. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it wasn't all that, ooh, so scary as last few times that I played the game, but part of it's because, well, new setup, new computer, new all this, that, and the other, and shit happens. Also, something you might notice, the camera is actually a lot closer to me. So I'm not having to go, no, it's just, hey, I just gotta be careful because it's like, okay, I can do this, but then the game's here, and it's like, So, I hope you enjoyed, and I shall see you guys next time. Bye-bye! I can pick this up. And throw it with the greatest of ease. What am I, Macho Man Randy Savage? I can pick it up with the greatest of ease, for I am Macho Man.
Okay down there. Oh, this is lovely to watch. Just me,